My name is Cindy Loya. I'm an artist and a Mexican-American immigrant. I'm making paper maché bracelets as wearable art inspired by the Frida Kahlo, Diego Rivera in Mexican Modernism exhibition. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some cardboard. You can cut it as thick, as wide as you want. It depends on your style. Once you cut the strip, you wanna make sure that it's gonna fit through your knuckles. Then you're gonna cut that portion off. You don't need it. You're gonna use tape to put it together so it stays round. You can really choose whatever shape you want to start with. You're also gonna need strips of newspaper. I already cut some of these. You can also just use whatever paper you have around. The more you recycle, the better. And then you're gonna grab your newspaper. You're gonna grab the engrudo and you're just gonna start running this paste, which is traditionally used for piñatas. My grandma taught me how to make it. It's just flour and water. How this works, you're gonna cover both sides with the engrudo and then you start rolling it around your bracelet. And you wanna do a few layers of this so it gets hard and then it's easier to paint on. And so I've covered the whole thing. You wanna do about 2 to 3 layers of this and then you're gonna let it dry. I have one that I had already finished. So once it dries, it's really up to you, whatever you want to paint on it. So I'm painting these little roses. Roses just remind me of my grandma, so I'm going to do this one for her. I grew up in Mexico and she was literally my neighbor, so I was always with her. So I'm gonna add some embellishments onto my bracelet. These sugar skulls, calaveras, are a way to represent Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos. These bracelets are a way to connect my identity to my family traditions. Creating something that's unique that can incorporate things that you like, color and texture and images, it's important for self-expression. This is a great way to honor someone in your life that's not with you anymore and just to remember them. This is what I made to honor my grandmother. I hope you have fun making your own wearable art.